Good afternoon, P1 students. How are you today? Today is Tuesday and it's the 23rd of June 2020. So for today's objective or learning target is I can identify what will happen to the pictures showed by the teacher. So you're going to see the pictures and identify what will happen to the pictures that I'm going to show you today. So the pictures that I'm going to show you, you can find it on page 25 of your activity book. So again, today we are going to identify, and also this will be your homework for today. You're going to identify what will happen to the objects or the pictures that I'm going to show you, okay? So for now, I want you to get your activity book and open it to page 25. 25. Very good. Okay, so here, you ready? Good job. So here is the activity book. So here, these pictures are pushing things, right? So these pictures are you're going to push the things. So here, look at this. She is going to push it. The ball is farther, and then this one is near. So look at the arrow. The arrow here is longer. The arrow here is shorter, right? So here, what will happen if you push the ball when you are further away from the ball? Do you think the ball will roll the farthest, or what do you think will happen? Will it roll the longer or shorter? Longer or shorter? So here, look at this. So in this activity exercise, you can say what you think will happen. Match the push to what will happen. So again, this is pushing a ball. So imagine yourself, if you have a ball with you. Hold on, let me grab one. So I have here my ball. Okay, so this is a ball. So what will happen to the ball if, like this, if it's very near to me? So like this, I'm gonna put it here, and if so near to me, do you think it will go further, or you think it will go farther or short distance, right? So if like this, if it's very near to me, the ball, hold on, this one is the ball, if I push it like this, if I push it, it's only short distance, right? But what if the ball is farther than me? If I'm gonna push it, there's too much force, right? You can push it. Right, so when you do that, so if the ball is near to you when you push it, there's only your force is not very strong, so the ball will only move in a short distance, right? Only in a short distance. But if you are pushing a ball when you are farther away from it, when you push it, you will push it with a full force, right? Because you can push. But if it's near, you can only put a little force. All right, so now which do you think will happen to which one? If you are pushing the ball and it's close to you, so you cannot put too much force into it, right? So for this one, you can push, there's too much force. So which one? If you're going to connect here, which one? This one or this one? What will happen to the ball? Yes, so the ball will go farther, right? a longer distance, because on this picture you can push it with full force. So what will happen is that this one will go here, full force, so the ball will go farther or with longer line. It will go fast. How about this one, short one? With short one, you can only push it with a little force, so the ball will not roll farther. It will only roll like short distance, and also it will not roll fast. So this one is here. So you are going to connect the lines, and you are going to what's this? You are going to color them. Okay. How about this? How about this? Which one will go fast? This one, which the slant, there's a slanted line, and here is not so slanted. So you can see which one will go fast. Which one? So this, if you slide the car, and there's a slope or a slanted line, so it will go right. How about this one? Not so slant, only short distance. So this one will go which picture? Here, right? So put an arrow, and here put an arrow. So for today, you are going to what? You're going to draw a line. So for this one, we'll go here, only short distance. And for here, if the ball is away from you and you push it, there's too much force, so it will go farther here. So again, you can color this also. For this, it will go fast. This one and this one, very slow here. All right, so that would be all for today. So again, for today's assignment, you're going to answer and color this one. So you're going to match this. All right, thank you so much. Goodbye. And here's your star. Very good.